we will crown a new World Heavyweight Champion.
Hey guys, I'm your host ATA aka Anand. Today you'll witness how I made this beautiful looking championship with just 15 items. So let's begin. We're kicking off with the gold sticker on top of the double tap and slowly draw the championship outline with any pencil you find. Don't put pressure on. For measurement I use 12 cm length and breadth. As you wish, you'll figure it out on the road. If you're confident with the design itself, then highlight it with a gel pen because you're not always so sure. Next I draw a piece of silvers and cut a WWE logo out of it and I stick right in between them. Now it's time for the details, as it needs to be done patiently because it's a minute work in a miniature scale and I want it to be perfectly set. And with the little marks from the scissor itself, the title shall look even more prestigious and accurate to the real championship. Next I went with the side plates, as it is also equally important. Next I spread the black permanent marker as an extra outline and also the straps. Now luckily I had a white pen, so I'll just use it wherever it's required. It's time to cut the shape of it. Now take a big chunk of black tape and place it below the championship as you see. Now we finally move into covering the title in a see-through tape. Carefully, after that's done, we finally cut the shape we wanted with the black outlines over it. Now we blow the final whistle as I stick a black double tap on back of the championship like that. It feels like a light version of like a tissue rather than it should be, so I'll just give an add-on weight with the help of little pieces that I cut from the cardboard. And some black insoles. And there we have it, fellas, the new World Heavyweight Championship custom miniature replica. So if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and share to the fellas who probably like this new World Heavyweight Championship. Speaking of that, I know a guy who would love this title to be in his championship collection, who you may know him by many names, but I call him my tribal chief. Now let's move on with the comparison as I show you my former World Heavyweight title with the new and improved version. Let me know which one would you prefer. How can we wish the WWE title, as if given a choice, which one would you pick up for yourself? Comment down. If you want to know how I made this, I'll put the tutorial link in the description below. Whew, this is a tight combination there, as this is unreleased IWGP Championship custom of JPW. I didn't shoot a video of this making, but it was sure harder and difficult to make, but I'm mostly proud of it. Wait, what happened if I colored the one-page switch as per as the WWE logo with the red CD marker? What's your opinion of this change? Comment down.